Hello guys, welcome back to Seek the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Meta AI not showing on Messenger. So you might just open up your Messenger app and you can actually find your Meta AI, or it's not working or not responding like it should. I'm going to show you how to fix that problem, right? Very easy and simple way. Open up your settings on your phone and open up apps, then you search for Messenger. Open that Messenger app up and messengers, and open up storage. You have to clear up your cache and clear up your data as well. All right, so it's going to delete accounts on your Messenger, so you have to log in again. So after doing that, you go to a Play Store and ensure your Messenger is up to date. So you search for Messenger, right, and update that app, right? So after updating it, you can now reset your phone, right? And when it gets on, you now have to log in to your Messenger app again, and it's going to work. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.